In February 2016, Robert Major was driving his truck with 6 passengers crammed into it when he sped through an intersection and crashed into a semi-truck. 3 people died, including his girlfriend and 2 of his sons. He was deemed responsible for those deaths and the injury of 3 others. Today, he was arraigned on charges of dangerous driving causing bodily harm and death.
In a theoretical sense, this is concluding, but there's no conclusion for the real victims in this case. In many respects, they're trapped in that crash for the rest of their lives.
Major had originally been sentenced to 7 years before it was overturned and set for another trial. His plea deal avoided that trial as part of a joint submission between the defense and the Crown. The sentence brought forward is 5 years with credit for time served.
I think, and I don't want to speak for each of the family members, but I think they're satisfied with the result. They're happy that the matter is being concluded and that Mr. Major will serve a jail sentence. But I think what's most important for them is that they can finally have a resolution to the case.
Major was also charged with 6 counts of criminal negligence, 3 causing death and 3 causing injury. Those are expected to be withdrawn when he's sentenced in October. The original trial also heard Major was using his cell phone right before the deadly crash.
A terrible tragedy that has impacted everybody. To say that there's no winners in a case like this would be a gross understatement. Conclusion of the matter is what we're looking for, and this is the process that brings us to a conclusion.
Major will return back to the community for the next 4 months leading up to his sentencing hearing. It will give him time to settle his affairs, including the near future of his remaining son, before he's sent back to custody. Dane Patterson, CBC News, Saskatoon.